Hey everyone, David here. Imagine scrolling through TikTok or Instagram and you see countless videos promising easy money from side hustles. But how many actually work? To separate truth from hype, I tested 7 of the most viral side hustles out there. And trust me, the results were genuinely surprising. Let's start with a side hustle everyone's talking about, dropshipping. It's advertised as a get-rich-quick scheme. You sell products online, don't hold inventory, and supposedly make thousands overnight. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the twist. It wasn't as simple as they promised. I spent hours finding winning products, setting up a store, and paying for ads, but was it profitable? Stick around because the reality of dropshipping shocked me, and it's coming up soon. But first, how about flipping secondhand items? It's another viral trend making the rounds. Finding underpriced items at thrift stores or online marketplaces, then selling them for a tidy profit. At first glance, this seemed super straightforward. I grabbed some vintage clothes and electronics, cleaned them up, took great pictures, and listed them online. But here's the catch. Flipping items effectively takes a lot more time and patience than you'd expect. Was it worth the hustle? Keep watching because I'll reveal exactly how much I earned and if it's truly worth your effort. Next up was online print on demand. You've probably seen those videos where people claim they made thousands by creating simple designs, uploading them onto shirts or mugs, and letting a third-party company handle the rest. I gave it an honest shot, designed some catchy graphics, and put them on t-shirts. But did I strike gold or hit rock bottom? I won't lie. The results were unexpected, and I'm about to show you exactly what happened. Before revealing that, let's talk about another side hustle that's been blowing up lately, affiliate marketing. It's often hyped as a passive income powerhouse where you simply recommend products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. I chose some popular products, wrote genuine reviews, and shared my affiliate links online. The big question is, does affiliate marketing actually deliver on its passive income promises, or is it just another overrated hustle? Trust me, you'll be surprised by what I found. Now, I want to pause for a second and ask you something. Have you ever heard of selling digital products like templates or planners? It seemed too good to be true. Create it once, sell it infinitely. I dived straight into Etsy and crafted digital planners, budgeting sheets, and goal trackers. Sounds easy, right? But here's something no one tells you. Creating these products and standing out in the crowded marketplace is tougher than it looks. Did my Etsy shop boom or bust? Stay tuned, because you're going to want to see these numbers. Now, moving on to freelancing. From graphic design to copywriting, freelancing is everywhere, with plenty of influencers claiming you can easily earn thousands per month. With my writing skills, I set up a profile on popular freelancing platforms and waited. But is freelancing the dream it's hyped up to be, or is it oversaturated and underpaid? The truth might just blow your mind, and I'll share exactly what I earned from freelancing in just a minute. Finally, let's quickly touch on one of the most intriguing hustles I tested: social media management. Supposedly, you can easily get paid by helping businesses grow their Instagram or TikTok presence. I reached out to small businesses offering my services, and what happened next was truly unexpected. Was it profitable or just another viral exaggeration? Believe me, you're not going to want to miss these surprising details. Out of these 7 viral side hustles, only a few genuinely delivered impressive results. Which ones? You're about to find out, and I'll show you exactly how much I made, what surprised me the most, and which side hustle you should avoid at all costs. Ready to learn the truth behind these viral hustles? Let's dive deeper. So, let's start by revisiting dropshipping. After building the store, running ads, and sourcing products, my total revenue was around $400. But here's the kicker. After expenses, I barely broke even. Ads are expensive, profit margins are slim, and competition is fierce. Dropshipping isn't impossible, but it definitely isn't the overnight success many influencers make it out to be. Remember flipping secondhand items? It started slow, but then something surprising happened. A vintage jacket I bought for just $10 sold online for $85. That's an insane markup. Over the month, I consistently flipped items, and my final profit was around $600. While it wasn't quick money, it was reliable, especially once I learned what sells. If you're patient, flipping might actually be worth your time. But how did print on demand go? Honestly, it was a bit disappointing. My catchy t-shirt designs only sold a handful of units. After fees, my profit was barely $30. The market is oversaturated, and getting your designs noticed is way harder than it seems. Unless you're an expert marketer, print on demand might not be your best bet. Now, affiliate marketing, that was interesting. The first week was quiet, but suddenly commissions started rolling in. One review I wrote about a popular gadget got a ton of attention, earning me about $200. By the month's end, affiliate marketing brought in around $500. It's not exactly passive, it requires consistent effort, but it can definitely generate a decent side income. Etsy digital products were next, and this surprised me most. At first, sales were slow, but once I optimized my listings with better SEO and visuals, my planner started selling rapidly. My Etsy earnings reached nearly $700 with almost no ongoing costs. Creating digital products once and profiting endlessly turned out to be surprisingly effective, though getting discovered on Etsy isn't as easy as you might think. Freelancing had its ups and downs. Initially, getting clients was tough, but once I secured my first few projects, momentum built quickly. Writing articles and blog posts earned me roughly $800 over the month. Freelancing can pay well, but it's competitive and demands consistent pitching to clients. Still, it's genuinely profitable once you build your reputation. And finally, social media management. Surprisingly, small businesses were eager for help. By managing Instagram and TikTok accounts part-time, I earned around $900. It required steady effort, creativity, and constant communication with clients, but the earnings potential was clearly there. Out of everything tested, this hustle stood out the most. So what's the bottom line? Not every viral side hustle lives up to the hype. Dropshipping and print on demand are much harder than influencers claim, while flipping, affiliate marketing, Etsy digital products, freelancing, and social media management offer genuine potential, especially if you put in the work. If you're looking for realistic side hustles that pay, now you know exactly where to start.